welcome back to the video about to buy Simone Nicole TV. And that's on what? Period poo. So I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm actually at an Airbnb, and this is gonna be an Airbnb tour here in Atlanta on Peachtree Street. This is the Peachtree Condo. I'll be listing the Airbnb listing in the box below if you guys are interested in staying here or checking out some pictures just to see the comparisons of what you actually see versus what you see on the Airbnb app. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the tour. Oh, before I start the tour, I want to just tell you guys it's very, very comfortable staying in this condo. I feel very comfortable. It feels very homey. The only thing that you'd probably be annoyed about is a little, well, not a little bit, but a sprinkle of homeless people that you might encounter asking for money. But it wasn't terrible. It was like probably like one person a day or a night, one person a night that you might see, just walking to and from the parking lot. And also there's a parking fee for this condo. I mean, you can park on the street. It's really up to you. Parking in a parking lot and a parking deck is usually a lot safer than parking on the street because you don't worry about, other cars swiping your vehicle. Well, it could happen in the parking lot too, you know what I mean. It's just less likely for it to happen while you're in a parking deck or a parking lot versus parking on the side of the street. But of course, the side of the street is sometimes free, sometimes it's not. Sometimes you get tickets just for parking on the side of the street as well. You have to be careful when you're downtown. But there's so many perks. Everything's walking distance. Food, shopping centers, stores, like everything is super, super close. So it's really up to you if downtown is a move for you. I really love staying downtown in any city, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the tour before we leave. We've been here for a few days. We're actually about to check out. But yeah, I really love the comfort and the quietness of this Airbnb. Like I said, the only things that I would say is the cons is just the homeless people and having to pay for parking every day. They do have it set up, I believe, on the receipt that you can do a monthly payment if you stay here for a month at a time or 2 months at a time. But if you're not, you have to pay daily or risk getting a boot on your car. So yeah, I'm in the bedroom, so I'm gonna start in the bedroom. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead to the door and I'll start at the door and come back throughout the Airbnb. So let's go. So this is how it looks, the door. Oh, this is really good lighting over here. Actually, I'm over here just filming videos for the heck of it. This is the front door. When you walk in, they have this area, it's a side room, kind of like a closet space where you could put luggage, but they have mattresses here. I'm assuming it's for guests. Like if you have guests over, you can use the extra sheets to put on the mattresses, or if you have a large party staying at this Airbnb, everyone still has space to sleep in their own comfort, privacy of their own cushion mattress situation. So yeah, you have that walking in. Then when we walk through the foyer, this is the view of the living room. We got the lamp, we have a sofa here, sofa here. The sofas are super, super comfortable. The lights are, there's like levels to the lights. You can do up and down or just turn it on and off. There's a lamp over there in the corner. There's a TV. There's this middle piece right here. I like to use it as a footrest. You can move it back and forth. You can roll it around. And there's like a centerpiece where you keep, devices and remotes, purses, whatever you want in there. It's very convenient, very cute in my opinion, and comfortable. And then you have this workspace area. The only thing about sitting over here is that there is a draft. I don't know if it's from this window or that window, but there's a heater also right there too. But there is a draft. You feel it from the door sometimes underneath here, and I'll go out there in a minute. That's the balcony. But yeah, the decoration in here is very much, this is a Georgia residence. You'll see a lot of that in this Airbnb. And here's the kitchen. You have a full stove, full oven, full fridge, microwave, cabinet space, and the regular. There goes some more pictures. There goes some more pictures. They have a lot of kitchen items. I really appreciate that, even though I really didn't use it as much as I would have. Just because, you know, like I said, everything is walking distance, so it's really easy to go pick up food from somewhere. But yeah. And they gave us snacks. I didn't touch any of these. We didn't touch any of these, but there's some snacks in here too. But yeah, so we have this. And then this carpet is super soft too. Super soft, super comfortable. Welcome to the balcony. This is the view. This is the 4th floor. There's the White Oak restaurant across the street. I will show you guys how it looks at night as well. There's a little carpet situation there because it is cold during the winter time walking out here on this concrete. The lamp is also heated, which is nice. It didn't feel like I was in the cold when I had it on. It did its job. And then you can also see the bedroom through the balcony. So this is the view on the 4th floor on Peachtree Street. Oh, I'm so hungry. My stomach's starting to growl. And then going through the living room to the right, that entrance is over there. There goes another picture. There's another picture over there. Big old picture. We have the bathroom, and then we have the bedroom, and we have more cabinet space for blankets and sheets. This is the bathroom. It's a full tub, shower, toilet, everything you need, all the essentials you need. And then the bedroom. This has the same carpet as the living room. Super soft, super comfortable. So yeah, you have the lamps, the nightstands on both sides. Again, another painting representing ATL, and then another TV. And then you have the open window where you can see throughout to the balcony, which is super nice. And it's nice at night, definitely. Like I said, I'll show you guys a clip. If I haven't already, I'll show it right here. But yeah, this bed was so comfortable. It felt like it had memory foam or like a Tempur-Pedic. I don't know. It was just very, very comfortable. I really love this bed. And this is a nice set for like if you're staying somewhere long term, because you have a lot of storage connected to the bed itself. And of course, the closet. There's a closet to the right here. But yeah, my camera's about to die. That is the end of my Airbnb tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below, like the video, share it with your friends. Let me know if you enjoy seeing my Airbnb tours. I've done some in Miami already. I think it's only been in Miami that I've done, in Atlanta. So I'll link those below also. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
No tears, no time to cry, just